Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing amazing and I hope you're having a great day. And welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can use gems, which is a type of currency in EA's FC Mobile 24. So let's get right into it. As you can see, your gems are located in the top right, or rather the second icon from the left in the top right. And gems are basically a currency which you can use in the store to purchase packs and other things. And as you can see, I don't think you can use them in this store. Uh, or rather, yeah, you can. You can use them to buy these things. And as you can see, you have the option to use gems. I think you might also be able to use them in the marketplace, for which, of course, you need to be level 10 to unlock. You do this by, you reach level 10 by actually playing either challenges in the kickoff or by doing quests. And for each quest, or rather by doing daily quests and weekly quests, you get rewards in the forms of gems, as you can see. So yeah, the way you use gems is just by, as I've said, going to the store and actually clicking on what you want to buy. You might be, there is a limited amount of things that you can buy with gems, such as this special offer. As you can see, it costs 1,250 gems. And yeah, the way you get gems is by also completing quests, as you have seen. By completing daily quests and getting daily rewards and weekly rewards, you get gems. You can also get packs, which you then open up, and through them you can also get gems as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.